More buying opportunities in the Calgary real estate market. Welcome to the Market Minute for May the 9th, 2025. Big John Peterson here, Remax Realty Professionals. Let's talk a little bit about what the market in Calgary is doing right now. We saw that there was a number of new listings coming onto the market in the last week, but remember at the end of a month going into a new month, a lot of properties will expire at the end of the month, get brought onto the market. So the number is going to be a bit higher. It's 1,121 new listings coming into the market in the last week. We saw 516 sales, 105 pending sales that failed. So again, looking at those pending options, there's about 1 in 5 of them that are failing. Great opportunities there. 914 price adjustments. Again, as we're seeing the market normalize, come into balance, we're seeing pricing is becoming really important. Understanding the pricing of your home, understanding the pricing of any home before you purchase it, really, really important. And there's 777 properties that were on the market that came off. So again, you look at a number of those 777 properties, those came back onto the market in the 1,121 new listings coming back into the market. Total inventory, 6,398. So we're now well above 6,000 properties. That's going to increase the months of supply into the market. What does that mean? More inventory means more options. It means the market is stabilizing. People are able to take a bit of time to make a decision. And what it means for a seller is that you have to plan in advance. You have to understand it might take a little bit more time to sell your property because this is quote unquote normal. This is more what our market looks like the majority of the time. The last 4 or 5 years, we saw that there was very low supply, high demand, very low months of supply in the marketplace, and it created a frenzy environment in the market where some people were having to buy without putting conditions on their purchases and things like that. Most of that has come out of the market. Understanding the market, educating yourself now is what the important part is. Months of supply in the market, 3.1 months worth of supply in the marketplace overall, 2.7 months worth of supply for detached homes, 2.7 months worth of supply for townhomes or row homes, 2.7 months worth of supply for half duplexes or the semi-attached properties, 4.6 months worth of supply in the apartment style condominiums. So we've seen now that market has shifted over into a buyer's market. If you're looking for apartment style condominiums, there's some great deals that are out there. We've identified a number of them for our clients. We've seen a number of price adjustments where those units have come into really strong value propositions into this market. If you are wanting a rough idea on what the value of your home is or a home you're looking at, homesaleprices.ca. All you need to do is put in your email address, the address of the property. It'll email you a rough estimate on the value of the property in 30 seconds. It gives you a great estimate on the value. If you're looking for detailed information, if you're wanting to have a real accurate evaluation of the property, if it's important to you to understand sort of some of the underlying data that is used to create these market valuations, please reach out to us. We're happy to discuss anything and everything real estate with you. We look forward to speaking with you. And what are you seeing in the market? We'd love to hear that from you as the buying and selling public. What are you seeing if you're out there looking, trying to sell your property, those kinds of things? Love that feedback. Take care.